Alam mo kung ano masakit doon? Tinatapos mo yung trabaho nang naririnig mo sila continuously. Rarampa ka, wala ka namang mali, natatawa. Diba? Nakakahiya yun. Alam mo kagandahan. Kinuha ko for a fashion show. So, kasi maganda katawan. Karakter. O, diba? Mukhang Pinoy. Kanto-kantong muka. Pangahan. I mean, I'm the exotic one. Tas kasama mo, mga katipo nila Kirk Bondad, nila Fabio Ide, Daniel Matsunaga. So, angat na angat yung itsura ko, girl. Unang-unang sasabihin talaga, sino yun? Hindi nila alam na the fashion designer or the director wants a representation of a Pinoy-looking person that could wear the brand. Because Filipino are gonna buy the brand. Pero yung mga makeup artist na, chararat. Oh my ganun. Ang sa akin lang, kung hindi ako pasok sa standards nyo, intindihin nyo kung ano ba yung hinihiling yung sitwasyon. But lahat ganun kalawak mag-isip.
Hindi natin madedenay. You're literally one of the most unique leading men of net. Hindi yun yung standard look, but it sets you apart.
Na buksan yung avenue for Netflix. And you see the lead guy, pasok na pasok sa karakter niya because yun yung itsurang kailangan doon. You watch City of God, may nakita ba kayong cutie pie doon?
Say What Podcast with G and Abby.